Good morning. So, day two. Well, technically, it's day three. Day one was when we got it, when it was delivered. Day two is when we cleaned it, and then now it's day three. So we're gonna install this on the car, and hopefully, we'll be able to start it today. Well, I already pre-diagnosed it. It's the fuel pump. So I brought an old fuel pump that I have at home, modify it, you know, just fix it temporarily. And hopefully we'll make it run today. So let's get started. Look at the mileage. How are you, Chap?
I cleaned the dashboard.
Okay, I'm just finishing up with the fuel pump. So pump is working. We were able to make it work. But we are leaking fuel. So we're gonna stop this, finish the interior, and sort this some other day. And then knock here. And this one goes there. Then this. So this is also adjustable. And then you can put this down. Okay. Put the lock on. Done.
Nice.
Dito ka. And the other side. Ay.
Car tour. This is my key.
So
This is the stereo. This is the mileage. This is the wheel. My
battery. So that's it. Third day, accomplished interior. Somehow I failed. Well, we were able to make it start. You heard it start, right?
Yes.
For a couple of
For a split
seconds.
second.
But then the fuel lines are all leaking, so I don't want to take the risk. But at least we know that the engine is running. So we'll probably do that when the car is at home. So for now, we're gonna wrap this up again, remove the batteries, and we're gonna head home. How do you feel for today's accomplishment?
Very proud.
So anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.